Ever wondered what would happen if all the oxygen on Earth just disappeared for 5 seconds? It sounds short, right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But the consequences would be catastrophic. And not just because we couldn't hold our breath. First, without oxygen, everything made of concrete would instantly crumble. Oxygen is a crucial binder in concrete structures. So, say goodbye to buildings, bridges, and dams. They would all turn to dust in a heartbeat. Imagine cities across the world collapsing simultaneously. Next, the sky would turn pitch black. Oxygen particles in the atmosphere scatter sunlight, giving us our beautiful blue sky. Without them, there'd be nothing to scatter the light, and the day would instantly become as dark as night. You wouldn't be able to see the chaos unfolding around you. And what about us? Well, anyone outside would get an instant, severe sunburn. The ozone layer, which is made of oxygen, protects us from the sun's harmful UV rays. Without it, we'd be completely exposed. Our skin would fry in seconds. Internally, the pressure change would be devastating. Imagine this! Losing 21% of our air pressure would feel like being whisked away from sea level to the top of a mountain in an instant. Crazy, right? Our inner ears would explode. It would be incredibly painful and disorienting for everyone on the planet. But wait, there's more! Every engine that relies on internal combustion would stall. Planes would fall from the sky, and cars would stop dead in their tracks. The world's transportation would grind to a halt. And then, after those 5 terrifying seconds, when the oxygen rushed back, it would ignite a global firestorm. The immense heat and pressure from the rapid reoxygenation would cause massive explosions everywhere. Everything flammable would burst into flames. The world wouldn't just be dark and broken. It would be on fire. So, those 5 seconds without oxygen wouldn't just be a moment of holding your breath. It would be a complete and utter apocalypse. It's a wild thought experiment that really makes you appreciate the air we breathe every single second. Let's be thankful our planet keeps that oxygen flowing! Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this little trip into a hypothetical disaster, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending scenarios. See you next time!